Hello and good day. So for the project setup of the project that I was working on previously, for the front end, we are using Nuxt for this one. So Nuxt is a framework of Vue, and as you can see here, when I navigate to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page. This makes the user experience much better and more seamless. And then the reason why we are using Nuxt is because this project focuses more on advertising its services. Nuxt helps us by applying different SEO configurations on different pages, which is very important for visibility and search optimization. So what I did right here on this project is that I changed the Korean content since I already updated the content here previously by adding the MVP projects. I already changed the content on the subtext here on the page header, and this update was requested by one of our team members. So the only thing that was changed here is the Korean content. As you can see right here, the content has already been updated and this part is already done. And then moving on to the next part, just to go over the project setup again, for this project, for the front end, we are using Vue. I already discussed earlier what Vue is and how it works on this project. And then for the back end, we are using Laravel for this one. Laravel is a framework of PHP, and all of the API endpoints are coming from Laravel. For the database, we are using MySQL for this project. So what I mainly worked on next is fixing an issue. Let me show you the issue right here. So there are times, for example, when the QA changes the homework status, it shows a success message saying that the homework status was changed successfully. However, if you go to another student and try to change the homework status again, as you can see here, an error is showing. So the issue here is actually caused by how the learning plan ID is being passed. When passing the learning plan ID, there are cases where it does not match correctly. That is why the error is showing and the system is returning a forbidden message. This means that the current plan is not being passed properly. So what I did to fix this issue is I reconfigured how the data is passed. As you can see here in my local example, instead of relying on the current plan saved in the local state, I changed it to rely on props. So now, the learning plan ID is being passed correctly through props. As you can see right now, when I change the homework status, it shows that the homework status is updated successfully and the issue is already fixed. So that's all for my accomplishments for now. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.